Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, today this is about a 4C here, probably thicker than a 4C. I separate it this way that I can be able to work with it easily because here is very super thick and she have tender skull. So today I'll be working with the braid that I'm using is an X-PRESSION braid in the color number 2T, 1B and 30, and it's a pre-stretch braid. Braid is 100% kANEKALON braid, and that's what I will be doing this hair with. So the trick about doing her hair, because her hair is freshly washed, no heat was added to this hair. So the trick to this hair is to twist her natural hair in a 2-strand twist and then braid over that 2-strand twist. Here, as you can see, I did her hair in a 2-strand twist and then I attached the braid to the hair. So what I'll be doing, I'll be showing you an example of how I went ahead and did that in this braid. But guys, about doing her hair, the beauty about twisting the hair in a 2-strand twist before you attach the braid to it, what it does, it keep the hair, because her hair shrinks so much. Her hair is have a good length, but it shrink a lot. So as you can see, you're going to make the braid, as some of you already know, into 2 pieces and then put it over each other that you can get 3 pieces. And you will go ahead and take 1 piece and grab her natural hair, and that's how you will be braiding it. For some reason, my video did not record that part, but that's basically what you will be doing. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing, guys, keep watching this video.